The industry at present seems to be split into two camps: creative shops that haven't scaled or operationalized, and then functional sites built by agencies that lack brand differentiation for their clients. Domaine and Pattern were built to close this gap. Pattern is widely recognized as the leading brand identity and experience-led agency in the Shopify ecosystem, and similarly, Domaine is known as the agency for execution, on-time delivery, and engineering excellence. What's really important in design and creative is coloring outside the lines and not necessarily taking those best practices or economies of scale or efficiency, but instead rethinking a creative problem, brand positioning, creating true differentiation on behalf of that brand, which is a different muscle. Having both muscles within your purview is what this acquisition really personifies for us. Together, we are a full-stack digital transformation agency that starts with brand and identity through great build tooling, AI workflows. I couldn't be happier to welcome Pattern into the Domaine family and start this road together as a unified company. More Fortune 50, Fortune 100 brands moving to Shopify, they are actively thinking about how their brand shows up in a much more concerted and differentiated way. So agencies that appreciate and understand and lean into brand differentiation are going to be, obviously, in my opinion, a much better partner to translate that brand online rather than a systems integrator or a requirements-driven engineering shop only. It really takes proving to the brand that you care and love and appreciate and will nurture their brand in a digital ecosystem. So I think that your approach is becoming more and more attractive to brands at the very top of the digital ecosystem.
It's totally changed. It's been amazing, and it's been fascinating to see that happen on like these extreme ends of the spectrum. When the opportunity came for us to join, there's tons that we're excited about. But one of the things that Isaac and I kept coming back to was this idea of, yes, we're going to join an agency that's bigger than us. We're going to be able to bring them something that they value. But we also talked about the excitement around joining the best. That is ultimately what we got really, really hyped about. We aren't the biggest agency, but we always strove to have a super, super high bar for excellence. And when we worked with Domaine, it was mutual. It was so readily apparent that that was the bar on the Domaine side. As these conversations evolved, that's the one thing we kept coming back to be able to have a partner that values excellence in their craft and expertise the way that we do, vice versa, but also the excitement about raising the bar and having a unified team pushing each other to do that across these different disciplines.
That's great to hear, man. I mean, it has to be in your DNA. You can't fake it. It's a cultural thing.
Exactly.
To have everybody rowing in the same direction.
Yeah.
You want to be so good at your craft that you are brought in front of the client to exhibit that. And so that's again, a cultural thing of trying to be the best we can be. I'm so excited for the road ahead.
I am too.